Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Ford F250 headlights. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, a 10mm socket, and a trim removal tool. Always ensure your truck is turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Understanding these initial steps will make the entire process smooth and straightforward, guiding you through removing the old assembly and installing your bright new lights with confidence. Now, let's get started with removing the old headlight assembly. Begin by opening your truck's hood and locating the two retaining bolts positioned at the top of the headlight unit. Using your 10mm socket, carefully loosen and then completely remove these two bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It should release from its clips with a firm but steady tug, preparing it for disconnection. With the headlight assembly now free, it's time to handle the wiring. Locate the main electrical connector at the back of the assembly. Press the small release tab firmly and then pull the connector apart to disconnect it. If you're only replacing bulbs, twist and remove the individual bulb sockets from the housing. For a full assembly replacement, simply plug the main electrical connector into your brand new headlight unit, ensuring a secure connection. Finally, let's install your new headlights and ensure everything works perfectly. Carefully align the new headlight assembly with its mounting points on the truck and push it firmly into place until it clicks. Reinstall the two 10mm retaining bolts you removed earlier, tightening them securely but without over-torquing. Before closing the hood, turn on your truck and test all headlight functions, including low beams, high beams, and turn signals, to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.